Hey y'all, Cutting Up Cute and Real. I'm just putting this banana pudding together. I've blogged this before, but I will tell you the recipe in case you haven't seen it and you want to follow along. My mama's banana pudding is the absolute best in my opinion. It is not cooked. I don't like cooked bananas, and I definitely don't like meringue. I know it's hard to tell from those guns right there, but I don't like meringue. So I use 2 boxes of vanilla instant pudding, and I follow the instructions, which is usually 2 cups of cold milk per package. A bunch of bananas, like 8 or so. I do this for the football team. They love it, and request it. And Matthew Clapp requested this for his wedding rehearsal dinner, so of course we had to do banana pudding. So I have quadrupled the recipe for 60, but the normal recipe for average family serving type thing, it serves about 8, 10, depending on how many scoops, what your scoop of size is the recipe with the 2 boxes of instant vanilla pudding and the 4 cups of milk, cold milk. I use whole milk if I have it. I definitely don't use skim. Guns again, reference. Anyway, so you mix that up. You put in 8 ounces of sour cream. Mix that up. And then you layer vanilla wafers on the bottom. Cut your bananas. Put that on top, which that's what I'm doing now. And then you can do a couple layers depending on how big your pan is. But anyway, and then you top it with a 12-ounce Cool Whip, 8-ounce whatever. The more Cool Whip, the better, in my opinion. But that is my mama's recipe for banana pudding that I have used for years. So stay with us. We're going to be getting ready to make homemade barbecue sauce for the pork butts for tomorrow, which is awesome. My brother's girlfriend Terry, it's a family recipe that she shared. I had a great recipe from Kathy Hinton, which is still great, Kathy, just saying. But even Andy said when he had Terry's, he was like, you need to make Terry's. So that's what we're going to do. So I'll blog that later on when I get all the ingredients together after I get my banana pudding done. And then you'll have to stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be doing the baked beans, which I'm going to do baked beans with some sausage in it, just to sort of spice it up a little bit. And also, I'm going to be doing the cabbage on the grill, which I mentioned earlier, the Boston butts, and we will be cooking, cutting up, and always keeping it real. My son's girlfriend Jessie's coming. We're going to put her to work in the kitchen, which is great. Love that. And we're just going to have a great time getting ready for Matthew and Victoria's wedding rehearsal. So stay with us, cooking, cutting up, and keeping it real.